there. You got that on?
Yeah.
Hey Grace, we got you 4 feet in the air. We got you on tape 4 feet in the air. I said we have you on tape going 4 feet in the air.
Joy said stop.
Can you fix the flag? It fell out.
Nope.
You want Cody's?
I kind of have to wedge it up in there. We need something a little better than that.
Did you see that, Cody? Huh?
Did you see the girls flying in the air?
That was pretty silly, wasn't it? You guys want to go some more?
Hey guys! You want to go some more?
Yeah, they're good.
That should be good enough.
Here we go again, Cody.
Get out, get back.
What?
Would it be easier if you put a towel on that where she won't slip, John?
Let it go where you're at.
John?
Yeah, she should be up there anyway.
Well, I know that, but she's going to keep going up there. She's been up there all day.
Come here, my dad. Step. Step.
Here we go, Cody.
Step. You good? That's it?
A bunch of Sally's.
This is John's turn.
You done? Bring it in? What? Alright, bring it. You want to come in? Alright. Is that thing heat air or is anyone getting burned? Check your arms, make sure you don't have burns.